Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Hopefully you will be fine. Welcome to the Irfan Akbar Python quiz project. Our project is based upon OOP related MCQs. Here we use timer. You have 10 minutes to attempt 25 questions. It means each MCQ have 22 seconds. So it is very interesting. Must attempt it. I will share your code in description box. So pick it and run it any editor to solve these MCQs. So the beauty of code is that you have to challenge, you have to time to clear it. So here we make quiz classes, we make quiz execution, we perform operations. So now come to the running. So when we run code, then first you have interface good luck said by commands. So when you press enter, then your time is start. So time is countdown. You have to select A B C D options. So when you give command, then next question will be in front of you. After submitting, you will have a surprise result. If your grade is above 65, you have to show congratulations.